everybody! Today I'm doing a video that a lot of Roblox players will find very helpful. So, audio IDs. IDs for decals, audio, or even just models. The way to find them is if you go up to the search bar, over here where my cursor is, type in anything such as... So you can type in anything, just type in that will work, then just click in the one in library here. Now, this will probably not come up with any results, yes. But over here, you see where my cursor is, it has models, decals, audio, video, meshes and plugins. So this is the IDs will be for this. And you see up in the tabs, just where the tabs are, just below it, there is a search bar just here. So above the Roblox search bar, it's just the tab search bar. Right, so now, if you want to find audio ID, then go into here. Then so you see, let's just take a random one. So let's take horrible keys because that sounds lovely. But anyways, above here you see here where it says https://web.roblox.com/library, then slash again. You can see there's this number here. I've highlighted it just here. That number is the ID, and after that will say horrible keys. Don't copy that bit. Now on some games, such as Roblox Studio and all, in scripting, you can copy and paste this, but on other times you just have to write it down or remember it or something. So for this one it will be 1837861 So you get a number like that, but there's a different one for every single audio. And then what you do is say, let's try it on Theme Park Tycoon. So say I'm playing Theme Park Tycoon and I want to add some audio to the ride. You'd have to buy the Game Pass first so that you can add audio, but say you didn't, and you wanted to know, how do I add music to the ride, right? So there's like default music and stuff, but if you want to add different music, then your own music of your own choice, I'll show you how. So say you wanted to add music to the Speedy Duck ride. I mean, who wouldn't? If you go over here, and then down here, it'd say on ride music, you would type in the link that you saw here, and you'd have to copy that link, unless if you can't, then just type it in from your memory or write it down and then type it in. So I hope that will help, and it can also be used during admin commands. So if you're doing inserting a model, you could do insert, so you could do : insert and then type in the ID of the model. So I'll go over where it is one more time. So follow my cursor so you can see it, right? Go up. It is right in this search bar. I have just highlighted it here. So this search bar is where the ID is, and the ID is always the number after the https web.roblox.com library. It's always the bit after this bit. And that is how to find IDs for audio, decals, models and plugins and meshes. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.